Hi everyone, this is Julio again. I'm going to give you just a quick tip on a single leg hip hinge. Just a quick tip on a single leg hip hinge and a couple of variations. And the next thing, as you probably already know, the importance of doing a hip hinge, such as a deadlift, working the posterior chain, reverses the lifestyle of sitting, etc. But there are many benefits by doing a single leg hip hinge, so we can address the muscle imbalances. You're going to get core stability. It's fun and challenging. So here's one. I always suggest individuals to be near a wall just for balance, just in case you may tap the wall. It tricks the brain for balance. Here's my hip hinge. When I'm in this position, the crown of my skull goes that way, and I'm driving through my heel. And then I'm back and I stop. Progression. I can do it without. My hips face the floor, high, and then I'm up. Progression 2, a good morning. This is more advanced. Hand behind my ears, hip hinge, come back, stop. And that's about it. If you have any questions, please post any comments.